Today we are here in Orient, Germany to participate in a program called by Joint Movement Committee in order to pay a tribute to our deceased teachers. Recently, you all have come to learn that Ozzy Debnath and Madhusudan Debnath had expired. So in order to pay them tribute, under the initiative of Joint Movement Committee, good number of teachers have gathered here in front of Orient, Germany. You all are aware with this burning issue since 2014, and by now it's been already around 3 years plus, and till today the death toll have reached 114, and within this month, in the month of November, within a period of just 2 weeks, we have lost 4 teachers, and in the month of October also we have lost another one madam who made a suicide due to extreme mental depression. She was compelled to suicide because there was no source of income in her family members. So in the following month, in the month of November, we have lost 4 teachers. So in the period of 2 months, we have lost in total 5 teachers. But till now, till today, the BJP IPFT government is least bothered about this situation, about this burning issue of 10,300 teachers. We had been giving them several times. We had been reminding them through our various protests and through our various democratic protests and through various memorandum. We had been giving a repeated reminder to Education Department. But till today, the Education Department is least bothered about solving the matter of these 10,300 teachers. And even in last year, on 3rd of October 2020, Honorable CM, whom we call as most energetic and young CM, Biplab Kumar Deb, he had given the assurance to solve the matter of 10,300 permanently within a period of just 2 months. But now we have already reached November 2021. It's been more than a year, but till today, Honorable CM is least bothered about solving the burning issue of these 10,300 teachers. But whereas they have given the assurance in written in their vision document, even till today, they are least bothered about all this situation. So why are they making up, turning this situation into a political game? Now it is already time for them to solve the matter of these 10,300 teachers, because we had been sitting at home already more than 20 months without pay, without work, and during pandemic time we had been worstly affected. So due to that, that is why death toll is rising day by day. Until today, we are left out of work and out of pay since Education Department had illegally terminated us, citing the reason of Supreme Court and High Court. In the year 2020, 31st March, Education Department had illegally terminated all these victim teachers, just citing the reason of Supreme Court and High Court. But if you look into the judgment of 2014 High Court, we were never made a party in the court. We were neither petitioner, we were neither respondent. So our point is, when there is no allegation against you in the court, how could the Education Department terminate all these teachers? We were never guilty by the judgment of High Court and Supreme Court. So the termination was very much illegal. But whereas some section of teachers had been saved by this very judgment, In the year 2014, when judgment was given, 58 writ petitions were taken together. But out of 58 writ petitions, only 57 writ petitions had been implemented by Education Department till date. Another writ petition which is connected to 2012 science. This writ petition was very much covered by Tanmoy judgment. But the Education Department is least boarded in terminating all these teachers as well. And among these 58 writ petitions, these 2012 science are very much covered by Tanmoy judgment. And among them, there are total number of 37 teachers. These 37 teachers, they had applied for a job in the year 2009, where recruitment took place in 2010. But after not challenging the policy 2003 as illegal, in the year 2010, after not being selected, they had challenged the policy 2003 as illegal and they had filed a case in Tripura High Court in 2010. But under this same policy, in the year 2012, this 37 number of teachers, they have got a job. But whereas after getting a job in 2012, under the same policy 2003, which they have challenged in 2010, they have never intimated Tripura High Court. They have never informed that they have got a job. And due to this error, many sections of teachers have been terminated. Whereas if they could have withdrawn the 37 number of teachers, if they could have withdrawn the case in due time after their recruitment in 2012, then at least 60 to 70% teachers' life would have been saved. Today, teachers shouldn't have been shouting here for their survival in Orange, Germany, if these teachers had at least fought for us. Therefore, even in recent, in 2021, in Tripura High Court, when Vijay Krishna Saha had filed a case in Tripura High Court, Tripura High Court had clearly mentioned if these 37 number of teachers, if they are covered by Tanmoy judgment, in case if they are covered, the Education Department was directed to terminate all these 37 number of teachers. But till today, these 37 number of teachers are into government service, which is very much illegal. When they have challenged the policy as illegal in 2010, under the same policy, how they got a job? It is very much surprising and very confusing. So, even in the recent deputation program conducted by Joint Movement Committee, we had submitted our memorandum to look all this into a matter. But till today, the Education Department is least boarded. And till today, 10,300 teachers were never issued a individual termination letter. In the year 2010, when we got the job, when we were recruited by Education Department, we were individually issued an offer letter. But now, when our jobs were terminated, they have just issued us a common termination letter, just citing the reason of Supreme Court and High Court. But our names were never mentioned in the termination letter. So this is our point. When our names were never mentioned in the termination letter, how can you say that your job had been terminated? And even employment actions card is still lying with the department. It's been 2 years since the illegal termination by Education Department. Till today, the employment actions card is lying with the department. So, looking into all these points, we can never accept that our job had been terminated. Till now, we are just played with a political game. And even Honorable CM had given the assurance in order to secure the livelihood of 10,300 test teachers, they had formed an inquiry commission. After taking the report, the inquiry commission had already submitted this report to the cabinet ministers. But till today, the cabinet minister, under the initiative of Honorable CM, they have not even published. So if they really think for the permanent solution of all these victim teachers, the state government should immediately publish this inquiry commission and rectify the judgment which is being misinterpreted by education department. They should rectify this judgment and they should save the livelihood of all these 10,300 teachers. From time to time, many politicians have given various sort of dialogue. So it is time to forget all those dialogue and show their action. 10,300 teachers are going through very hardship. Many of them had become a day laborer. You can just imagine, from a teacher, if a person becomes a day laborer, what would be the conditions of such families? So that is why we are appealing to government through our today's program organized by Joint Movement Committee here at Orange, Germany. We appeal to Honorable CM to immediately rescue the livelihood of all these 10,300 test teachers. If this burning issue is not solved on time, then the condition of all these teachers is going to worsen day by day. So that is why we request the Honorable Government to come forward, solve this matter at the earliest, because we also want to live a comfortable life. For how long do we live in such mental depression? That toll have already reached 114. So it is time that government feel pity to the situation that 10,300 test teachers are going through. So that is why at the earliest, at least within the month of December, our humble request to Honorable CM to immediately solve this burning issue. Thank you so much and keep watching our updates. Thank you.